Hi, I'm Harold Rivas, CISO at Trellix. Since the global tech outage in July, CISOs are facing a whole new set of challenges. Many of you are working to rebuild trust while evaluating your current architecture and roadmap. You see, the impact wasn't just operational. For many of you, it was personal. The media failed to really capture what CISOs, CIOs, directors of cybersecurity, and others really felt. You see, these events happen not only to companies, but they also affected individuals. Some of us felt really accountable, more responsible, and more impacted by those events than anyone else in these organizations. Many of you are also evaluating your technologies post-outage. It's important to look at your roadmap, evaluate whether or not you feel that the technologies you've deployed are really aligned to what you need to do within your organization. This is a critical moment to rebuild trust. CIOs and CISOs need to ensure that they've done the work behind the scenes. And in my view, trust comes from transparency. Trust comes from having the conversations with executives that really help them understand these technologies at an intimate level and help them understand what you've done to set new mitigation strategies in motion, helping to effectively eliminate this kind of risk in the future. I think it's really critical that we're having those conversations with leaders now. This is not something that's going to go away, and I think it's important for us to take those steps to help rebuild confidence with your peers in the executive suite. So I'll be sharing more of my thoughts during the upcoming Trellix Responsible Security Virtual Summit in October. I invite you to register. I hope you join me in this important conversation. Thank you.